Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about synchronization. We will also learn about synchronized keyword and synchronized block in Java. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. Synchronization in Java is the capability to control the access of multiple threads to any shared resource. The main purpose of synchronization is to avoid thread interference. At times, when more than one thread tries to access a shared resource, we need to ensure that resource will be used by only one thread at a time. The process by which this is achieved is called synchronization. If we do not use synchronization and let two or more threads access a shared resource at the same time, it will lead to distorted results. Let's take an example. Suppose we have two different threads T1 and T2. T1 starts execution and saves certain values in file, which will be used to calculate some results when T1 returns. Meanwhile, T2 starts and before T1 returns, T2 changes the values saved by T1 in the file. Now obviously T1 will return wrong results which are not expected from T1. To prevent such problems, synchronization was introduced. With synchronization in this example, once T1 starts using file, this file will be locked and no other thread will be able to access or modify it until T1 returns. In this example, object obj of class message is shared by both running threads to call the shared method. Hence the result is non-synchronized and such situation is called race condition. To synchronize this example, we must synchronize access to the shared method, making it available to only one thread at a time. This is done by using keyword synchronized with receive message method. In this example, we have used synchronized keyword to get expected output. Synchronized block can be used to perform synchronization on any specific resource of the method. Suppose we have 30 lines of code in our method, but we want to synchronize only 7 lines. In such cases, we can use synchronized block. Synchronized block is used to lock an object for any shared resource. Scope of synchronized block is smaller than the method. Java synchronized block is more efficient than Java synchronized method. Because of synchronized block, this program gives the expected output. In Java, synchronized keyword causes a performance cost. A synchronized method in Java is very slow and can degrade performance. So, we must use synchronization keyword in Java when it is necessary, else we should use Java synchronized block that is used for synchronizing critical section only. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.